This is the remnants of Hurricane Hilary in central Idaho. It is dumping. We've already gotten 1¼ inches of rain. We're going to hit 2 inches by the end of the day. I feel sorry for the folks down in California and Las Vegas that I know have it a million times worse than this. But for central Idaho, this is crazy.
Holy cow.
I've never seen this much rain. Especially in August. It's been raining all day.
I've never seen it like this. The big swallow?
Yeah.
I've done the one at Bogus and I've done the one at the Little Ski Hill.
Oh, I didn't know that.
But I
You're
got
on a board or ski?
on a board. And so they have like women's, men's, ski, snowboard, whatever, you know. And I got my little competition vest and I did it and I got 3rd place.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's so pretty.
So by the time this storm hit Idaho, its bluster had been spent in California and Nevada. Thankfully for us, there wasn't much left. For us, it became one of those magic rainy days that makes you stop and reflect on what's really important. So for those of you who tuned in hoping to see a Corvette or a motorcycle video, let me just say I'm sorry, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Thanks a lot.